This is how you're going to embed a HubSpot form. First, log into your HubSpot account and then go to marketing from the left side panel. And then from the marketing, hover over it and then click on forms. Now, once you're on the form section, this is where all your forms are managed. Next, you can create a new form or select an existing one to use, customize it however you want, like change fields, styles, or layout, and then you're going to click on publish. Now, once it's published, it's going to come up here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to hover over the form that you want to attain the embed code of, and then you're going to click this actions button, and then you're going to click on share. Now, from the share form, you can click on embed code, and then here is where you can see the embed code. Now, you're gonna have to copy this one, and then you're just going to go to the website builder or HTML editor and open the page where you want the form to appear. You're gonna have to paste the code into an HTML block or embed section. And then finally, just save and publish your site to make the form live. And that's it. That is how you're going to embed a HubSpot form. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.